Despite the vile reprovers' wrong, the slanderers whom songs displease, and gay solace and valor strong, and largesse and pomps increase, I must not hold myself from song, rather I should rejoice along. So in the merry seasons sway, I will make a new song today. For love has made me choose a place in such a lady that my space of heart cannot part. I know her worth so high, I love with fear's own birth. And he who false flatterers hears shall never be in happiness, nor ever shall have love's own cheers, nor worthy be, nor hold success, that man who wants to rule his way with their false counsel. And I say, no man can work his profit true who trusts them, so my reason do. And my mind and my heart I turn toward her where all my desires yearn, who has a beauty natural and pleasing that ever does all. And if love does not soon subdue her, of whom I am faithful lover, my harm will be her color true, and her sweet laugh and fair face's cover. For love makes me desire her so, that of nothing else can I think, no, nor ever since I saw her face has my heart been without her grace. So I shall die if soon my pain she deigns not that I may explain, how with a heart loyal and free I bear her my goodwill's degree. Yet so great is my honoring to love her, though it be my loss, I turn not elsewhere for a thing but firm and fine my wish does cross, in pleasing her in word and deed, for she lives of beauty without redate. I give and yield and make my gift to her without reward. I lift my will to serve her loyally, if it please her then from another to be joyous forever with such a heart. No other love can make me start. And since I'm speaking true praises, I am her mercy seeker's part, mercy from whom all good raises, and must be my help with all my heart. From her whom fine love makes me love, nor forget her form that sits above all, for in her sweet prison cell she holds me and I like it well, so much that I'll not issue out, and it pleases me to look about her, so I cannot make a day's journal with so much of joy's delight eternal. The gentle noble deeds are fair, of him in whom all good traits are so valiant, no matter whom he draws. My Lord Baron of Bulks his valor's cause.